Hi, this is Rashmi from Only Feeling. How are you doing today? So today's recipe is it's not recipe, I can say it's a powder. It's a protein powder. It's nut powder, which is very much useful for the kids. If you're feeding your kids with the Horlicks, Bonvita or something, you can just replace with this powder instead of going for that store-bought powders. So you are making it at your home, and you know what are the ingredients which are going into it, and you are making it with all the nutritious dry nuts. So it's a very healthy dry nut mix powder. So let's see what are the ingredients required for that. I'm taking some 100 grams to 200 grams of almonds, 200 grams of cashews, around 100 grams of pistas, and some sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds, and somewhere around 50 grams of sesame seeds and sesame and flax seeds, and some sugar. You can add either after making the mixture, or else you can add along with the mixture, so that you don't have to add it along with the milk when you're giving to your kids. So let's start it. First we have to dry roast all this nuts, so let's start this. So first I'm roasting the almonds. You can either toast them in the oven, or else you can toast them on the pan. Last time, as I showed you during making this energy bars, I toasted them in the oven, so I'm just showing it on the pan. So whichever way is feasible for you, you can go for that method. So toast it till the time they are like little, just you get the aroma of that. In the low flame to medium flame, you just keep on tossing them. Just make sure that there's no water in your mixie jars or the caps. Wipe it with tissue, make it dry, because we are just storing it in a airtight containers. We are not storing it in the fridge. No, not necessary also. So since my jar is very small, the powder jar is very small, I am just making it in 2 batches. So as you can see, this is the powder I have got out of the ingredients I made. You saw how much proportions I had taken. So I just sifted it once so that I get a fine mixture. See, this is how it is, with a very pleasing nutty flavor. It's just fantastic. So if you want to add cocoa powder, you can just add. It will give you that cocoa flavor in it. So kids may like it, but I would prefer not to add it. It's good to be, that nutty flavor is fine. Let's kids get adopted to that. Natural is always good, right? So yeah, make them get adopted to this, which is natural and which is healthy, and we know the moms will know better what to feed the kids, right? So after feeding this, probably you wouldn't like to get any store-bought health drinks, probably. Make it, feed your kids, keep them healthy. So not only kids, even elders can have it. You can just have a spoon of it in the morning, like not only with the milk. You can just have it like that. It's very tasty. You just make it once, you will love it. I'm sure you will love it. the nutty flavor and the sugar what is proportional to the mixture is just absolutely fantastic. Thanks for watching my videos. Please like and comment and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. See you in my next video. Bye.